What's going on, guys? This is Jordan with Exotic Whips. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for watching. If you are new and you haven't watched any other videos, remember, or I'm telling you for the first time then, we're doing a $100 ECS tuning gift card giveaway. That is a mouthful. At 500 subs. So all we need is 500 subs. We're at like three and a quarter, somewhere around there right now. We get to 500. I pick random sub for the $100 giveaway. That's it. And then I'm going to do another one to reach 1,000 subs. So let's knock this one out so we can get there. And yeah, if this is your first time, thank you so much. Here is one of the projects we're working on. E36 M3. I plan on completely redoing it. Plan on swapping out the motor with S54. I forgot I put the front bumper on, just put those yellow flogs. And then we got this guy, which I have some cool stuff planned for this as well. So anyway, we're gonna wait for the glass guy to get here because today we're doing windshield. We're doing windshield replacement, and that basically the main goal is to replace that seal. So yeah, stay tuned. I don't know how much of that you guys saw. Few issues. We weren't able to get the windshield changed because it is on jackstands, which is completely fine. I didn't actually need the windshield change, but the guy was super awesome. I told him basically the only thing I wanted was that seal to be fixed, and he actually took some of the epoxy, I forgot what it was exactly, and actually hooked me up and just kind of epoxied it back in place. Really nice guy, super friendly. It worked out great because I didn't have to buy a new windshield, and he fixed the only thing that I needed to be fixed. So, dude, American Glass, I think that was them. Really good company, really good guy, so I appreciate it. I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm going to do more work on the car today. But I still have to get all the other cars out of the way and stuff. So just in case you missed it, 500 subs, $100 giveaway to any of the subs. I'll just pick one at random. Like, subscribe. I'm going to get more stuff on this E36 done quickly. More videos coming soon.